How to update Vita app. So when you update Vita app, you'll get the latest version of this app, and also you'll be able to fix a lot of problems, maybe the sluggishness that you have been experiencing with this app, and then get the app running much faster than usual. To get the latest version of Vita app, it is quite simple. You will need to use Play Store if you are using an Android smartphone, or you need to access App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android smartphone, so let's go ahead and do it. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by hitting the like button and subscribing to this channel. So go to Play Store, and then under search button here, just search for Vita, and you can see we have a Vita video editing app here, and then tap on it. So once you're here, look for the option called update on this blue button here. And if you see it written update, it means you don't have the latest version, so you need to update it to the latest version. For my case, as you can see, it is written open. This means I already have the latest version of Vita. So go ahead and update your app. This will go ahead and download and then install the latest version of Vita app. Once you are done, now you'll get the open option. Go ahead and tap on open to start using the latest version of Vita app. So that's how you update Vita app and get the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.